How to add debit card to Chime account. Hi everybody, if you are wondering how, you can follow the steps. So for that, you can go ahead and open up the app in your device, and you should be finding this interface. And in the bottom, you should be finding home. So all you gotta do is head over the second option that says move. Tap on it. After tapping on it, you will be taken to this interface. So from this given options from the screen, you need to head over the option that says manage linked accounts. Just go ahead and tap on it. After tapping on it, here you will be finding all of your linked accounts. So from here, all you gotta do is head over to the option that says link a new account, tap on it, and after tapping on it, you can select the option called debit card. There are two options. Select the first option that says debit card, and after clicking on it, you will be given this. So here you need to enter up your debit card number, the debit card expiration date, and the CVV. After that is done, click on link my debit card, and once that is done, your debit card should be added to Chime account. So that's it for now. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more tips and tutorials.